Get your butt out the camera. He got his butt on. She got her butt right in the camera. Good job, girl. Bye-bye. Rivers Auto and Tucker Repair and Trucker Repair. So that, see how pretty they are? Put these down so that they blackberries, blueberry trees, and I made this arch for the blueberry arch. The blueberries will go up that. That's my olive. Okay, good morning. This is a disaster. The wind tore my greenhouse to pieces. Now, we had these on it, but we did not put them everywhere. Everywhere those were, it worked. The plastic was still on. I just took them off. But we didn't put them on the bottom. So I'm sure the wind got up under there and just ripped the plastic up. The plastic is not torn because it's a heavier duty 6 mil. But the weak plastic is torn. The weak part, which was the original greenhouse plastic. This stuff tore. So I'm going to take that completely off. I've got another roll of 6 mil in the garage. I'm going to bring it out here, but this time I'm going to pull my plastic tight, and I'm going to make sure that it's secure all the way around. Thank God the rain came, but as you can see, there's no rain in my stuff. God is so good. And my seedlings and everything is still in place. So this had to have happened late this morning because there's not a whole lot of damage done other than the plastic being torn off, which I am truly, truly thankful for. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this water out of this plastic. That's how I know it rained, because this plastic is full of water, But it is amazing that the water did not destroy anything in here. It is truly amazing. The water did not get in my stuff. This is all dry, guys. This is all dry. So, yeah, this is all dry. That could have been devastating with all those plugs and things. You know, it's all dry. So, I am going to get this cleaned up and get that new plastic on. Okay, I'm back. Well, as you can see, I got the new plastic on, new zippers in, and the amazing thing about this is last night when that wind took the other plastic off of this greenhouse, the amazing thing was that it was full of water, and not an ounce of water got into my greenhouse and destroyed anything. Everything was just the way I left it last night. I was out here last night to maybe 11 o'clock. And it was just the way I left it. Trying to keep this door up So, God is truly amazing. You see that? I need to water that because the rain did not get in here last night and it did not destroy anything. See, the paper is dry. My paper towels are dry. But this up here was full of water. And it was torn off, as you can see when you look at that other video. It was torn off. I'm going to try to merge the videos